Have people completely lost their humanity? Today, while walking down the road, I saw a few kittens lying on the street. Truly, people nowadays are losing their empathy and kindness. Then I picked up the kittens and gave them a little treat. Later, I also rescued their mother, fed her, and took them to a nearby animal hospital for treatment before bringing them home. After all, every one of us should show kindness to these animals.